We will guide you through how to make QR code in Linktree. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to locate Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application and wait for it to load completely. Enter Linktree and press enter to search for the official website. From the search results, click the official Linktree website and allow the page to finish loading before continuing. Ensure you have already logged into your Linktree account so you can access your profile and account settings without interruption. Move your cursor to the top right side of the page and click Admin to open your account dashboard. After the dashboard loads, move your cursor to the top right side once again and click your Linktree URL to access additional sharing options. A pop-up menu will appear with several tools related to your Linktree profile. From the available options, click QR code to open the QR code settings page. Your unique QR code will appear on the screen and can be used to direct people to your Linktree profile when scanned with a compatible device. If you want to customize the appearance of the QR code by changing its style or design, you'll need to upgrade to a Linktree Pro account before those customization features become available. Continue scrolling down the page until you reach the download section. There, you can choose whether to download your QR code as a PNG file or an SVG file, depending on your intended use. A PNG file is suitable for most digital sharing purposes, while an SVG file is often preferred for high-quality printing or resizing without losing image quality. After selecting your preferred format, download the QR code and save it to your computer for future use.